I am working as associate professor in the computer science of engineering in Mallarati College of Engineering. Okay, next one is that first I am going to take the topic big data. What is data? Data is nothing but a collection of information. So that's only we go for the concept of the data. Big data means it means that it is a collection of data that is huge in volume yet not exponentially time. Okay, so it is a big data. Next one, it also data with a large size and it contains the complexities that none of the traditional data management tools can support, process it efficiently. Big data is also a data but with a huge volume. Best example is a New York Stock Exchange is the best example for the big data. Since in this organization, the big data that they are generating about 1 terabyte per trade per day. Okay, per day. Okay, next. Other examples are in marketing also we are using. Other than that marketing, in order to forecast behavior, product, etc., we are using the big data. Second one, in transportation also, in order to assist the GPS navigations, we are using the big data. Third one, in government and public administrations also, we are providing a large amount of data. In order to that, we are using this big data. In business organization, in order to have a streamlined management of the business and operations, we use the big data. Next, in the healthcare conditions also, in healthcare departments, in order to access the medical records and in order to have accurate data, they are using the big data. Last one is in cyber security also, they are using the big data. First one, in order to detect the system vulnerabilities and cyber threats, for that purpose they are using the big data. Next, we are going to see about the big data. Again, what is data? Big data is nothing but extremely refers to a large volume of data and it contains the diverse collections of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data also available. Next one, it is characterized by the volume. It is mainly characterized by the volume, velocity, variety of the data, and typically it includes both. It contains the structured and unstructured data. Next, we are going to see what is the term big data is often used in the reference to the large data of the huge data of the amount, not only for the traditional tools databases and also for the applications in order to handle the large data, they are using the big data. Next one, with the advent of the new technologies such as cloud computing, machine learning and artificial intelligence, big data has today become an important one all among the organization. Okay, next we are going to see about what are the characteristics of the big data. Big data is a large amount of data, that is, the data which is not processed by any other traditional tools efficiently. Next, it was used by the multinational companies also. They are using the big data, and the data and the business of many organizations are using this one. Next, the data flow should not exceed 150 exabytes per day. That is before the replication. Before the replication of any process, the data flows would exceed the 150 exabytes per day. Next one, there are 5 big characteristics are available in the big data. First one, 5 bigs. First one, volume. Second one, velocity. Third one, variety. Fourth one is the value. Fifth one is the velocity. Okay, these are the 5 big characteristics of the data. Next, we are going to see in this picture. This picture shows the characteristics of the big data. First one is a volume. Volume is nothing but a huge amount of data refers. Variety is nothing but contain the different formats of the data, that is from various sources also. Third one is the value. Value is nothing but exact the useful data. That is the value. Depends upon the useful value, we are going to extract the data. Fourth one is the velocity. Velocity is nothing but a high speed of accumulation of data. How long the speed the data will be processed and accessed. That is the velocity. Last one is the veracity. Veracity is nothing but it is inconsistency and the uncertainty of the data. Okay, next we are going to see about the one by one. Volume. Volume is nothing but a size and the amounts of the big data that the companies can organize and analyze the data. Second one is the value. Value is one of the essential characteristics of the data. Here only we are accessing the right and valued data. So value is one of the important characteristics. Third one is since it is valuable and reliable data that we can store and process and also analyze. So it is a value is one of the important characteristics. Okay, value. Okay. This is the value of the data. This diagram is the value of the data. Value of data is nothing but first we have to have a collection of data. First we have to go for the identify. After that we have to collect the data. After that we have to process the data. After that we have to analyze and release the data. After that we have to connect and suppose if we want to incentive or influence our data, anything we have to give some feedback. After that we can use and exchange, change the data. Suppose if we want to reuse the data, we can reuse the data also. So this is the diagram of the value of data. Next one, variety. Variety is nothing but the variety may be the diversity range of data is nothing but variety of the data, including the structured or unstructured or semi-structured. Next one is the velocity. Velocity, all of you know, the speed at which the company can receive and transmit and send and manage the data. That is the velocity. Velocity is nothing but a speed at what speed the company is accessing the data and processing the data. For example, the specific number of media posters they can occur. Suppose they want to search the queries received by within the day or within the unit of the one, we have to access the like this. Okay. Next one is the veracity. Veracity is nothing but the truth. What is the truth? That is accuracy of the data. What is the correct accurate data, whether we are processing or analyzing, that is the accuracy of the data and the information. That only determines the executive level of confidence. Okay. Next one. Another one, there is an additional characteristic of variability is called, and additional characteristics of the big data is the variability. Variability is nothing but the changing the nature of data. Some companies want to change the data according to their choice. So companies have to seek to capture and manage and analyze the data. Best example is incentive or text analytics. These are the examples for variability. Are they clear? Sorry, class. Next one. What are the uses of the big data? These are the big, first one is the location tracking. In location tracking, we are using the, next one, precision medicine. Third one is the fraud detection and the handling. In advertising company also we are using. In the entertainment and media, etc. we are using. That is a real world big data examples. Next one, we have to discovering the shopping. For example, suppose if you go for the shopping habits, we have to discover what are the data we want. So in that field also they are using the big data. Next one is a personalized marketing also they are using the big data. Okay, these are the uses of the big data. Next one, suppose if you want to have a content fuel optimization in the transportation, there also they are using the big data. Suppose if you want to monitor the health conditions and the data, that can be also accessed by using big data. Next one, suppose if you want for a road for living link, suppose if you want to see the link path in the road in the transport, they are also using the autonomous vehicle, then use the road mapping. In road mapping also they are using the big data. Next one is there is a streamed media. Suppose if we want to stream the media, streaming also they are using the in audio and video, etc. In unstructured data they are using. Last one is suppose if we want to predictive inventory ordering department also they are using the big data. These are the uses of the big data. Okay. Next one. The applications of the big data, where we are applying the big data. First one is in banking and securities they are using the big data. Next one, in communication, media, entertainment, etc. they are using the big data. In healthcare providers also they are using. Next one is in education level they are using. After that, manufacturing natural resources they are using. In government officers also they are using the big data. Next one, in insurance company, in retail and wholesale trade marketing also they are using the big data. Next one, in transportation they are using the big data. Last one, in energy and utilities also they are using big data. Okay, thank you for listening my video. Thank you.